Hello first graders, it is Miss Chen here. I'm really excited to start this brand new math unit with you. This time what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at numbers up to 120, and we're going to start by looking at something called place value. So we're going to have a better understanding what it means when a number is in its tenths place. We're going to have a better understanding when a number is in the ones place and the hundreds place and the tens place. So before we do that, for our math lesson today, I have a mystery for you. Okay. I want you to make an estimate, and an estimate is different from a random guess because an estimate means that you could see what I'm asking you to do. Okay. So I want you to think, how many sticks do I have in this bag? Make an estimate. And if you have a number, you can go ahead and write on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. I'm going to show you again. So how many sticks do you think I have in this bag? Oops. Okay. Before I did this lesson, I asked Mrs. Draper, I asked my two friends who I live with, and I also made a guess or estimate. And these are what we came up with. So Mrs. Draper, I showed this bag to her, and she said 381. My friend Jackie said 108. My friend Victoria said 89, and I think there is 614 sticks in this bag. And I also have your guess, but I can't hear your guess, so I'm going to pretend I can. But in the meantime, how am I going to count all these sticks? What is something I can do to count how many sticks I have in here? That is true. I can open my bag and I can count one by one. But that might take a really long time. Is there another way I could do this? Yes, I could count by tens, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to count by tens, and then I'm going to show you how many I have. All right? Welcome back, first graders. So what I did was I asked my pet bear, Dusty, to help me count how many sticks I have in a bag. And so he decided it was a good idea for him to take half the sticks, and I took the other half of the sticks. And we decided our plan was to count by tens and put them in one bundle. So we did that here. And then if we had sticks that didn't fit in any bundles, and they were just extras and they didn't fit in any of our 10 piles, we stuck them here in the ones pile. So now I have a new problem. What do I do with all these one sticks? I could count them one by one, but that would take a really, really, really long time. So what is something I could do? I could sort them by bundles of 10 as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so that gives me a new bundle of 10 and some extra ones. So I'm going to stick these ones here with other 10 friends. Okay. Now, this is what I'm looking at now. Is there another way I can sort these so that it wouldn't take me a really, really long time to count? What happens if I sorted the tens into groups of hundreds? So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, first graders, so what we did was we took the bundles of 10 and we sorted them into bundles of 100. So to do that, we needed 10 bundles of 10s to equal one bundle of 100. So let's count how many bundles of each we have now. So how many bundles of hundreds do we see? Good, we see 3. So I'm going to write 3 here so that I know that this one has 3. how many bundles of 10s do we see? Good, we see 4. So I'm going to write the number 4 here. So we know that this one has 4. And how many 1s do we have? Good, we have 6. So let me back up so we can see how many we have of everything. So we have 346 sticks. That's crazy. All right, thanks for watching. As always, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and love you guys. Hope to see you soon.